Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. Then please do subscribe. Also join us at our Telegram channel. When subscribing the channel, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update or opportunity from the channel. Well, the students had started getting mails from the Infosys regarding Operation Executive and System Engineer role. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the exam pattern for Operation Executive and System Engineer role. We'll be discussing certain questions that must be in your mind, like is how many questions are there, and talking about the negative marking, if negative marking is there or not, can you switch between the answers, can you switch between the sections, or all sort of things. So make sure to watch the complete video. In this video, we'll be clarifying all your doubts regarding the Infosys exam. So those who haven't received any mail till now, just wait guys, you all will receive. Okay, if you have provided the correct information, definitely you will receive. And may be a case that some are receiving the mails regarding operation executive and some are receiving the mail regarding system engineer. So let me show you the mail first, that what sort of mail the students are getting. So this sort of mail the students are getting from the Infosys side. Here you can clearly see that it is mentioned that hello, hope you and your loved ones are doing well. So you have been shortlisted for systems engineer role at Infosys, and your online test has been scheduled on 16 May 2021. Talking about the test duration, so they have clearly mentioned that test duration is going to be of 100 minutes. And talking about the sections as well, so they have mentioned that there are going to be 5 sections. The first one will be reasoning ability, that will be containing 15 questions, and the time allotted will be 25 minutes. Also guys, if you will complete the section in the before the allocated time, for example reasoning ability, you are having 25 minutes and you just completed this in 20 minutes or like 15 minutes, it doesn't mean that you will get that time for the next section. Okay, you will be able to move forward only after 25 minutes, right? So make sure to be clear about this. Next section is mathematical ability, so that will be containing 10 questions and the time allocated is 35 minutes. Next one is verbal ability. Here you will be having 20 questions and the time allocated is 20 minutes. It means 1 minute for one question. Next one is pseudo code. So you must be knowing that Infosys do ask pseudo codes. So if you want to practice pseudo codes, so even I do have videos on pseudo codes that were from Capgemini. But see, the questions are going to be similar kind only, because pseudo code is the same thing only. So if you want, you can practice from them. We have videos on Infosys pseudocode as well, so you can check that as well for your information. So here you will be having 5 pseudocodes which you have to complete in 10 minutes, and next there will be puzzle solving. Here you will be having 4 questions in 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how the exam pattern is going to be. But in case of operation executive, there is no section like pseudocode. So those who are getting shortlisted for operation executive, so you must not be having pseudocode section, so you don't have to worry, you haven't done any mistake. Actually in operation executive case, the pseudocode section has not been included. Fine. Okay, now let's talk about that whether there is negative marking or not. So there is no negative marking. First of all, you have to be clear about this. And talking about the score of each question, so each question will be carrying 1 mark, right? And if suppose you are facing any kind of problem, so they have given you a PDF as well in the mail, that has been attached in the mail. So if you have any doubt, any query, just go through this PDF once. Also they have provided one mail, that is infotq@infosys.com. So if you are facing any kind of problem regarding your login credentials that are appearing as invalid, or like webcam is not able to detect your face, or any kind of thing, just make sure to mail them regarding the issue. Okay, so if you will be facing any issue, they will definitely ask you for the retest, they will definitely provide you the retest. So you don't have to be panic, just mail them regarding the issue whatever you are facing. Also I would personally recommend to give the test on the laptop only, right? Okay, so the next question is like, can I see the next question before submitting the answer for the question on the screen? So definitely you cannot do so. First, you will be able to move to the next question only when you will be answering the question on which you are. So first, when you submit an answer for the question that has been presented, then only you will be able to view the next question. Also, just remember this, that once you have moved on or once you have answered one question, you cannot go back, you cannot change the answer. So that's why whatever you are choosing, whatever you are selecting, just be clear or cautious about this. Okay, so you just clearly, that is the thing, that you cannot go back and change your answers. See, for each section also there is a time allocated, and as I've just told you, as I've just shown you the mail as well. So for each section there is a time allocated. So as soon as you will begin a section, a timer will show you the time, that is that how much time is remaining or how much time has been completed, right? Also see, uh, maybe a case that you were not able to complete the section and the time has been elapsed. So in that case you don't have to worry, whatever you have marked, that will be auto submitted. See, there is an option, there will be an option there to submit the section. Okay, but in case of some student, maybe a case that the time has elapsed and they couldn't submit, so that will be automatically submitted, so you don't have to worry about this. Also, if you will complete a section faster, you won't get more time to complete the next section, because for every section there's a particular time allocated. Fine. Make sure to be have like to have proper internet connectivity, because that can be a problem for you only. So make sure to be having proper internet connectivity at this day. Also, you cannot revisit the previous section, so you cannot revisit the previous answers. Also, you cannot revisit the previous sections as well. If you are facing any kind of problem, like is your answer is taking long time to get submitted, or your test has become unresponsive, or you are not able to interact with the browser, just try to try to look for your internet connection, try to verify your internet connection. Also refresh the page and log in again to continue the test. This is also what you can do. Okay, and in case if you have any query and you want to, you can simply contact the help desk by the toll free number that they have provided you in the mail itself that you have been received by the Infosys. Also, they have provided one mail also. On this you can just drop your query, you can just mail your query, that is talent.acquisition@infosys.com. So guys, just be confident, just be relaxed and start your preparation, the last minute preparation, the last time preparation. Also, don't have to be panic about any issue. If they are facing any issue with the things, you can simply drop a mail to them, they will definitely help you out. So I hope all the doubts that you were having regarding your Infosys exam must have been cleared in the video itself. In case even if any doubt is pending, you can just comment it down, I will definitely try to reply you back. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can share this video among your friends who are having Infosys exam in upcoming days, and all the best for your exam. Keep preparing, and you can just check out our pseudocode video for the preparation and aptitude videos that we have done for the TCS and QT. You can just check them out, verbal ability videos as well. So thank you so much guys, stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.